yo.
Hi there, kids. We got Toby in here, and no, we haven't forgot about 69. We had to move cars around, stuff like that. Anyway, turn that on just to show you guys. If all works out, we're going to be checking out something else. Since, I mean, we do have this one pretty much done. Just, you know, working out the kinks. So we're going to take, you know, Banditas to hopefully go look at something else. Just waiting for a message back from old feller, and we'll see what we can't do. You know, we got a window is what I'm saying. Mama and the girls went to a birthday party, and yeah, so we're gonna pimp out the old bird. This is a nice beautiful day, and I just got done mowing, so I'll take you guys along for the ride, but like not while I'm driving. I'll just show you. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. So luckily we got a text back. This is a personal friend of mine. Yeah, he drives a diesel and a Ford. Sometimes you just can't help people, but this feller, pretty good feller, we used to work together at the adult fun center, we're going to call it. And he started a thing recently, and let me tell you, if you need a patina dude, this guy right here is your guy. He is, one, affordable, two, very talented. Should we just, okay, here he is. Chris Smith.
Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up, man?
How you doing, bud?
Look at this, look at this. He's got merch and everything, dude. This guy, I'm not kidding you, he has real talent. So Chris, look at this. Look, man, oh my God.
Yeah.
Super sweet shirts, man, and he's a really cool dude to talk to. And not only that, remember I said we was going to possibly maybe look at another project? We got a white bird, which, you know,
it's the Redemption Bandit.
that it is. This one could be the church going bandit, and that one's like you're burning in Hades bandit. Is that a thing? It could be. But, you know, we're looking them over, you know, real quick because, you know, Chris has got to go. But this right here is the possible new project. But we didn't come here just to look at this, because if and when we drag this old bird home, old bird, play on words. Anyway, if and when we drag this old bird home, that's when we'll really show you. We really come over so we can check out his stuff, because you guys have seen all my stuff, you know. He has more than one cool car. I don't know if you know that. So why don't you tell me about this particular ride that I remember setting for
Ever?
at least 25 years, for real. What is this? This is a Chevy, right?
46 Chevy. I got the car off of Jisco West Road, so the car's name is Jisco. You can actually follow my YouTube channel, Smith Customs.
Okay, and it smelled just like your shirt there, right?
Smelled just like the shirt, Smith Customs on YouTube.
Heck yeah.
Obviously ADHD. If you have ADHD, you will love my channel because I have ADHD.
Hey, something shiny.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. There he goes.
Yeah, so I'm going to get around to this one, but there's another YouTube video coming. Todd, I think they'd want to see this one. Don't mind the junk.
Hold on. We can't skip junk, bro.
Oh, okay.
He even watches this. He knows I own junk.
This is a 59 Plymouth Sport Fury, Christine. I saved it from a demolition derby.
No kidding.
Yeah.
And this is a real Fury, eh?
Oh yeah, if you get up here and look past all the junk over there on the dash,
It is a Fury. Holy cow, dude. These are like hard to find, man.
Oh, they're rare as hen's teeth.
Right, as hen's teeth and frog hairs.
Hey, look, there's
holy schnolls, dude. Hey, look, it's Old Faithful, man. That old bird brought a lot home, I'll tell you that. But what in the heck is that?
That is
Introduce me.
That's our most recent rat rod we drug home. It's a 1937 Ford.
37 Ford. Oh, it looks like it's Chevy powered though.
It is Chevy powered.
So that's why it went from deadbeat to heartbeat. Right? I mean, can we say that? We just said it on camera. I said it.
Said it. 63.5 Galaxy.
Now, are any, I have to ask, besides the Firebird, are any of these for sale?
It depends on how do you want them done. Like this 63.5 Galaxy,
Yeah.
it does have a go home today price,
Okay.
but I've got a full interior I can put in it. I have a big block Ford to put in it. I've got so many things that I can throw at it.
Okay.
How do you want it?
Okay. Now, if these people want to get a hold of you on some of these projects, how would they do that? Are you on Facebook?
On Facebook, Smith Customs as well.
Smith Customs on there.
LLC.
Now look, this is how you spell it. Do you have to type in LLC for your Facebook or no?
I think so.
Okay, so if you want to get a price on any of this stuff that you know what? We're car guys. If you throw a high enough number, we'll take it. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
He'll take it.
Usually. I only
Hold
have one
on.
thing here that's sentimental.
I know, and you're gonna show us before you show us that one.
Well, which one, Lucille?
Lucille.
Okay.
You haven't seen a more pretty picture of a car. This car is honestly breathtaking, for real. Tell me, I remember it like 55 or 56, is that right?
It's a 56 Olds.
56 Olds. We're gonna drink this in, walk with me. Good Lord. Now this one, I'm gonna guess is not for sale.
Probably not. Maybe.
That means yes if you throw a high enough price. That's exactly what that means. Like I said, he is a car guy, and look at this. This car is done, and it's done correct. It sits on air, right?
Yeah, I know it's probably killing some of the purists out there because it's got grass on it, but I will say I have the talent to paint, and I enjoy driving my stuff.
There it is. He's just like us. That's why we get along here. But look at this interior. Holy schnoz, buddy. That's an old school vibe with some just beautifulness. And that is a metallic pearl orange, dude. That's gorgeous. Now, what is this? What's killing you here? What's going on? You got something else you're wanting to show? Something bad?
Yeah. Just
I see a Mustang. Don't be confused, guys. I'm not really a Mustang guy. I just built a really nice one. Tell us about this.
So this is.
Hold on.
This is.
What's this GT350 business about?
Oh yeah.
Is that real?
That's real. It is car number 2006 out of over like 5,261 made. But it's
A
an
GT350?
84 GT350. It's a 20th year anniversary off of Shelby's GT350 in the 60s.
For real?
Yep.
All
those
right.
cars.
Okay, look, we got another one.
And this is 63.5 Ford Galaxy. Half year car. I've got two.
Okay. Man, it's clean. All solid, isn't it? The bodywork's done?
Oh yeah, this car's ready to go.
Oh my God, dude. That's sweet.
Well, I gotta.
Now you got glass and all for it or no?
Oh yeah, I got everything that quick.
Again,
Everything at the time.
everything but time. You heard the man. So, holy cow, it's even got a motor.
Yeah, it's been powder coated. Firewall's been clean, deleted. I've got Willowwood brakes set up for it, the whole nine.
Disc brake setup already? Really?
Yeah, and the car has all the chrome's been redone. The original chrome has been re-chromed.
Really?
Yeah.
That's. I know you got an out the door price. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
If you want the out the door price, get a hold of him. Don't waste his time because you know nobody likes their time wasted. But if you're serious, get a hold of him. Believe me, he's a good dude. He'll talk to you all about it. He's got. Ooh.
Yeah, this is what the Mustang had.
Wait a minute. That's to this car?
That's to this car. The guy, I'm telling you what. Check this out. Coolest thing I
Okay.
found.
Now
wish
we don't
could
want
all be
nothing
like-
with a home address. I'm gonna make you look at me for a minute, just to make sure we don't show any of this
Yeah, absolutely.
fellers. Let's just take this car in for just a sec.
Here we go.
What'd you find here?
This guy here kept record.
Now, how many owners does this thing have?
So the original owner, and this is actually cool. I haven't told you this about this yet. So this is new news for you.
Yeah.
The original owner debuted as a Cincinnati Reds baseball player in 1957.
Get out of town.
I'm serious.
What was his name, if you don't mind us asking?
So,
I thought for some reason I saw Fred something on.
yep, his name was Freddie Huffman.
All right, cool. Somebody check that out. Some Fred Huffman up in your business there.
Yep.
So this was a real Cincinnati Reds player car. Well, I mean, you know, from 1957. But
So it actually
no,
has an even cooler story. I mean, yes, it's cool. It's a Cincinnati Reds.
Yeah.
I've already named the car because it had a name.
Yeah.
Its name is Annie because he went through a midlife crisis about the age of 46.
Not even close to my age.
Him and his wife split up. And then he bought this car before their divorce, which they never divorced, they just separated.
Okay.
He had a girlfriend during his separation.
That can hurt your marriages.
And her name was Annie.
Oh.
So he named, after they broke up, he named the car Annie, and the wife caught along and said, car's got to go. So it went to his nephew, who I purchased it off of.
What?
So this car has earned the name Orphan Annie.
That seems like a fitting name, Orphan Annie, because, oh my God, do you imagine that guy? Shoot. Hold on, so there's gotta be a data plate or something. Yeah, there it is, looky there. The proof was in the pudding. Right
The
there
guy
it
was
is.
6'5".
He's 6'12"?
He's a big guy.
6'12". No, 6'5". If I'm a betting feller, was that 75,000 original miles for real?
More than likely. But I gotta say, once the nephew got it, the nephew had to hot rod it.
Well, yeah.
So it's
But I mean, the pedals. Wait a minute. What's going on there? What did nephew do? He hot rodded some. Let me get out of here and let Chris do what he got to do.
It has a. Did you see it had a line lock?
Holy schnoz! I guess it does. So nephew like to run, just stomp on him just a skosh.
Oh, this thing hurt some feelings at Katy Drag way back in about 06.
Yeah.
It's been off the strip since then.
Okay. So this is a fairly local car to us.
Oh yeah, it's pretty local.
He ain't gonna tell me. I'll ask him later. He'll tell me later. Okay, so now I see a big old shiny thing, and shiny thing's an MSD. I bet you she runs pretty okay.
She's stout.
Do you know if the motor's been tinkered with internally?
Oh, absolutely. She's no longer a 302. She's a 308. I think so.
Or 306? Somebody.
306.
What is it? 306? 307?
I don't know. She's not a 302. She's a
It's
307.
bored. It's bored is what he's saying. It's bored 30 over.
I've got all the details, but no, my plan is I want to keep it fast.
Yeah.
But I've got the original breather.
Yeah, that'll slow it down.
I want to put the original valve cover gaskets back on it.
Yeah.
I want when someone pops the hood for this thing to look stock, but I want it to hurt feelings.
Yep. I dig that.
This is a GT350. I mean,
that's a cool little thing that not a lot of people know about.
Did you know what makes it unique?
Unique up under the hood? I don't know. The scoop?
A scoop.
Okay.
Fog lights.
Okay.
That is a GT350 only.
GT350 only. So those are probably worth a butt ton themselves.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Just the lights.
The bumper's probably worth as much as I paid for the car, but we're not going to go there.
We're not going to go there, he said.
The emblems on a regular car this year with a 5.0 would just be a 5.0 badge.
Yeah,
those
you're
are
right.
actual 60s model pony
Really?
emblems that they stuck on it.
That's pretty
I've actually
cool.
thought about taking that red steering wheel there out of my fastback.
Oh yeah.
Going in there.
Hey, he's got some cool stuff too. See? Heck yeah.
The steering wheel.
The steering wheel makes it unique. That's a factory steering wheel?
It's factory steering.
Dude, I don't know if you guys can see that. I know it's upside down and sideways, but you're gonna have to trust me when a feller says that's pretty all right. And then the door panel. Holy cow.
Yep, they got the ponies on it.
That's pretty awesome, dude. So, okay, I'm just gonna clarify. I'm not a Mustang guy, but I would have to own this.
He says he's not a Mustang guy, but didn't you guys just watch him build one on his channel?
We're not. That's a Mulligan. A year and a half worth of Mulligan. Okay, and it did turn out good. I ain't gonna lie. I do love the car. But Chris, you have some freaking awesome stuff. What's up with this flatbed, man? I know somebody might want that old guy.
So I'm actually getting ready to saw that one in half. And next
Gas
time,
mileage, is that the?
Yeah. Well, next time, old Right Turn Garage comes over here at Smith Customs, it's gonna look a little different.
Okay.
We're getting a dozer in, and we're dozing all this dirt flat, putting gravel out. I want to be able to offer more of this to the general public and grow my business. So I'm gonna be traveling out west, dragging home projects for father and sons, and having them parked here on display. So at any time on my road, you find me on Facebook, we'll be able to link up and get you a project. But we're in the beginning phase of growing this business. It's been a dream of mine. It don't really seem like we're in the beginning phase. We got a lot of.
I know, right?
But I mean, I've been working on it for a while. My goal is to sell off as many of these as I can to help grow the business, because I want to share this hobby with
everyone. And that's why we do our channel.
Affordable hot rods. That's what I'm about.
That's what I love.
I mean, like he was telling you about the patina paint jobs.
The patina, man.
I can do a faux patina
Is that how they actually say that? I was always wondering.
FAUX.
FAUX. Somebody chime in. I don't know.
But for half the price, even though it takes me twice the time, the passion.
But it looks great, dude.
Yeah.
I know we have a couple of friends that we used to work with also at the Adult Fun Factory.
Yes.
That he just did a was it a short bed C10?
Short bed C10, 70.
Absolutely wonderful. This dude had so much faith in Chris. He bought real paint and did it.
Yeah, not even rattle can.
Not rattle can.
And
I'm just saying.
Right before we shot it, I said, "Listen, man, do you want me to do a slick finish? Because I have the confidence that I can make this thing just look great." I said, "Or do you want me to do the patina?" He said, "I want the patina. I want to stand out. So if you want to stand out, just get a hold of me."
And he's not BSing you. He will get it done. So I'm gonna let him go. He's got plans, and we got to talk turkey about possibly another, fire chicken on the ranch, so to speak.
Next time he comes back, I've got like 4 more cars we'll have to look at. We've got a hearse.
Oh
a
yeah,
couple 73 Model 4s. But
dang it! You know what? This is like a museum of greatness out here. That I just, it's pretty cool because you don't get to see all these unless it's in like honestly where he's saving them from people's yards where they won't get rid of them. Just go there. I know for a fact that car set. How long did it set? Since 70 what? 4-ish? Is that what you told me?
Yeah, would never sell it. The old man passed away, and we have the opportunity to breathe some life back into it. Because I know deep down when people hoard them, they die. But they want the vehicles.
Oh yeah, they want them. It's just they don't have the time, money, or whatever. But honestly, a lot of these cars, and a lot of cars I have, a lot of cars he has, might even remind us of childhood.
Oh, absolutely.
And or the cars we always wanted. Am I wrong? I'm just saying, dude.
I'm a movie car guy.
I am is that cheap enough? Is it? Yeah. Can I get that cheap enough is what I'm saying.
Yeah, I get that.
Then I'm like, well, you know what? I'm this kind of guy this day,
The orange car he showed, you've only got $500 in it.
Yeah, I know. I'm taking it too.
I hustled my way up to it, but I started out with $500.
He also took, a 7-penny nail and traded it up for this. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But I'm just saying, these cars, get a hold of Chris if you're interested. If you're interested in a nice patina job, don't judge him because of the clack diesel dot Ford, that thing. He's a good fella.
It's my daily beater.
He beats on it. Does that make you feel any better? So, Chris, we want to thank you for your time, buddy. As always, turn in. He's got his own YouTube started right there, Smith Customs. He's on, I think you're on TikTok too?
Yeah, I'm on TikTok as well.
TikTok as well, man. Check him out. If you want some good deals on some wheels and some cool stuff, some projects, father and son stuff, he's got you. So, as always, we thank you. We'll see you next time here at Right Turn Garage and Smith Customs. Y'all have a good one.